Good morning, dear students. Okay, very good morning. Now, welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Bantu. Okay, this is 4th standard class. Subject English. Okay. Listen here. In previous class, we will start third lesson. Lesson number third. Okay. Lesson name questions. 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 Okay. In previous class, we will start this lesson and we learn some of the difficult words in this lesson. Okay. Now in this class and in this period, we will start the lesson. Okay. All of you open your textbook, page number 24. Page number 24. Okay, now all of you open your textbook. See here students, page number 24. Lesson number 3rd. Questions. Okay, first we will learn starter kit. Kids often fight each other for silliest reasons, but then they also know how to make it up. It is never good for elders to take sides. Children should be left to themselves to discuss and decide what had been really fair or foul in their case. See here, kids or children sometimes quarrel with their friends for a silliest reasons, but they all children know how to make it up. But when never good for elders to take sides, when they children elders that time never good for elders. What never good? Quarrel with their friends. It never good for elders. Children should be left to themselves to discuss and decide what had been really fair or fall in their case. Okay, share with a partner any quarrel you had with someone and then how you made it up. Share with your partner any you have quarrel, you had any quarrel. Share with your friend or partner and how to make it up. Okay, now start the lesson. Mom saw bird sitting in armchair. His face was covered with his hands. What is the matter? Asked his mother. Then nothing, muttered bird. See here, mom sang. See here, mom. Bird sitting in armchair. See here, you can see this picture. Bird sitting in armchair. Oh, and his face was covered with his hands. His face covered with his hands. Then his mom questioned to him. Okay, see here, his mom questioned to him, what is the matter? Bird, what is the matter? Then bird answered to his mom, nothing mom. Muttered means speak difficulty. Okay, speak difficulty. Bird speak his mom, nothing. Speak to his mom, nothing. Is that he speak only for difficulty. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರಿದಾರು? ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅದಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Why don't you go out to play? Asked his dad. I don't want to, replied bird quickly. Don't you feel very well? Inquired his mom. I am all right, answered bird. Have you fallen out with your friends? Bird asked dad. Yes, with one of them, replied bird crossly. Which one? Said both mom and dad at once. Asked Jack answered Bert. What happened? Why did you argue? Asked his mom. Jack said, I hadn't scored a goal, but I knew I had. He said the ball went over the post, but I knew it had gone into the goal, said Bert angrily. What, what were you using for a goal post then? Asked Dad. We used our coats. We just put them on the ground a few meters apart, replied Bert. See here, when he was muttered, that time his mother questioned to him why, what is the matter, why are you silent? That time his face covered with his hands and he was sitting in an armchair, and he replied his mom, nothing, muttered. Muttered means speak difficulty. Okay, that time his dad questioned to Bert, what don't you go out to play? What? You don't go out to play? I don't want to, replied Bert quickly. Next, Bert replied his father, I don't want go to play out. Okay. Then, don't you feel very well? Inquired his mom. His mom already doubtfully and inquired to Bert, don't you feel very well? I am all right, answered Bert. Bert answered to his mom, I am all right, ma. Next, yes, with one of them. Next, have you fallen out with your friends? Bert asked Dad. Dad questioned to Bert, have you quarreled with your friends? Then Bert crossly replied, yes, with one of them. It means Bert quarreled with his one of friend. Okay. Which one? Said both mom and dad at once. Mom and dad at once said to Bert. Which one? Which that person? Okay, Jack answered Bert. Jack answered to her mom and dad. His name is Jack. Okay, sorry. Bert answered to his mom and dad. His name Jack. Here, Bert quarreled with his friend. That friend name is Jack. Okay. Next, what happened? Why did you argue? Asked his mom. His mom questioned to Bert, what happened with you and why did you argue? Next, Jack said, I hadn't scored a goal, but I knew I had. He said the ball went over the post, but I knew it had gone into the goal, said Bert angrily. He is already angry. So that time his mom questioned to Bert, what happened with you and why did you argue? That time he answered to his mom. Jack said that quarrel friend said, scored a goal. I hadn't scored a goal means Bert he hadn't scored a goal, but he knew he had. He scored a goal, but Jack said he hadn't scored a goal, but he know he had goal, but he said the ball went over the post. See here, the Jack said the ball went over the post, but I knew it had gone into the goal. But Jack said, Bert said, I know he know it had. Ball had gone into the goal. It means he got a goal, but Jack was say he hadn't scored a goal. Okay, that time both are quarreled. Next, what were you using for a goal post then? Asked Dad. Dad questioned to Bert, what were you using for a goal post then? Next, we used our coats. We just put them on the ground a few meters apart, replied Bert. See here, we used our coats. Those all children used our coats, their coats, and we just put them on the ground a few meters apart. All children put them on the ground a few meters apart. Okay, next, turn your face. Okay, do you know what we used to do when we were your ways? Said Dad. If there was an argument about whether the ball had gone in the goal or not, we never quarreled. In this paragraph, his father said to Bert his childhood, means father childhood. When he wear Bert age, that time he didn't quarrel his friends whether the ball had gone in the goal or not. Ball had gone in the goal or not. We never quarreled. They never quarreled with their friends. Okay, who said this? But father, his childhood. Okay, next, what did you do then? Then Bert exactly questioned to his father, what did you do then? Next, we did not argue with the person who claimed to have scored a goal. We would let him take a penalty if a goal was scored from the penalty kick. The other shot counted as a goal. If the penalty was missed, it was not a goal, said Dad. Next, when Bert was excited and he questioned to his father, what did you do then? Next, his father answered to Bert, we did not argue with the person. We did not argue or quarrel with the person who claimed to have scored a goal. We should let him take a penalty. Okay, we would let him take a penalty. Okay. Next, if a goal was scored from the penalty kick, just that score was scored from the penalty kick, the other shot counted as a goal. That score was only counted in penalty kick. The other shot counted as a goal. If the penalty was missed, it was not a goal. This is only for a penalty, not a goal, said Dad. That time, that sounds a good idea, said Bert. Bert was active and cheerful. He was said to his father, that sounds a good idea. It is a good idea. And why don't you go and tell Jock about it, said Mom. I bet you will be friends again in 5 minutes. Okay. Next, he was active and cheerful. That time he said to his father, it's a good idea. Then his mom asked to Bert, why don't you go and tell Jack about it? Why you don't go with your friend Jack, and why you tell about it? And then his mom bet to him, I will bet. Okay, I will bet within 5 minutes you again friends. Both are in 5 minutes. Both are have a friends. Okay. Bert was suddenly cheerful. That time Bert was suddenly cheerful and active, and he dashed out to the park next door. He is already excited, so he dashed out to the park next door. Next, he hoped Jack and the rest of his friends would still be there. He hoped Jack and his rest of his friends would still be there. Okay, sometimes parents can be quite clever. Though thought Bert as he ran towards the footballers. He ran to footballers. Okay, he ran towards the footballers because of his father suggestion. Okay, he was quarreling with his friend and he was silent. Okay, when he was suggest to his father, but father suggested to, but that time he was cheerful and active, then shared to his friends, and then that quarrel was solved. Okay, both are all friends again. Okay, sometimes parents can be quite clever. Okay, now in this lesson was completed. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Next. Okay, we will meet next class. Okay, thank you one and all.